To make beautiful artificial flowers, snip a piece of ribbon, twist it around the base to create a spiral shape. Curl the ribbon to form a petal-like shape. Use glue to secure the edges and add petals in layers, shaping them into a flower. Attach the flower to the basket, adjusting the placement for balance. This simple trick creates realistic flowers effortlessly. To create beautiful artificial flowers, begin by twisting a piece of wire to form the flower stem. Then, shape the petals using fabric or felt, attaching them around the wire to form flower layers. Secure the petals with glue. Afterward, wrap the stem with ribbon and finish the bouquet by arranging the flowers neatly. This technique results in a lovely handmade flower arrangement. To create a beautiful red ribbon flower, start by snipping a strip of red fabric or ribbon to your desired length. Fold the ribbon into layers, gently shaping each one to form a petal. Use glue to secure the folds. Then, begin rolling the fabric into a spiral shape, ensuring each petal overlaps the previous one to form a full flower. Afterward, secure the base with glue to maintain the shape. Continue adding petals, adjusting the size and shape of each layer for a natural effect. Once you've completed your flower, you can attach it to a stem or a decorative base, enhancing the look. The finished result will be stunning. Handmade roses that can be used for various decorative purposes, such as centerpieces, bouquets, or as beautiful gifts for special occasions. This technique allows you to create customized, long-lasting flowers that add a personal touch to your home, events, or celebrations, making them even more memorable, meaningful, and enjoyable for everyone involved. To create a beautiful orange flower arrangement, begin by taking a piece of orange pipe cleaner and shaping it into a small pumpkin-like form. Attach it to a green pipe cleaner to form the stem. Continue by adding several of these pumpkin shapes to the stems, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Once all the pumpkins are attached, arrange the stems to create a bouquet, adjusting the position for balance. Finally, you can place the completed bouquet in a vase for a charming handmade pumpkin flower arrangement, perfect for seasonal decorations, celebrations, or a creative centerpiece. To create a beautiful flower using pipe cleaners, start by snipping a small piece of purple pipe cleaner. Then, fold it into a loop shape and twist the ends to secure. Next, form multiple loops and twist them together to create flower petals. For a fuller effect, add more loops in the center of the flower. Once the petals are shaped, carefully gather the center and twist it to secure all the pieces together. You now have a delicate. To create a beautiful flower using pipe cleaners, start by taking a small piece of purple pipe cleaner. Form it into a loop and twist the ends together to secure. Then, make multiple loops to form the petals of the flower. Once you have the petals, arrange them in a circular shape to form a flower. Use a yellow pipe cleaner for the center of the flower and attach it. Finish the flower by wrapping the base with green tape for the stem. Your colorful handmade flower is now ready for display or further use in crafting projects. To create a beautiful tulip using pipe cleaners, start by taking a pink pipe cleaner and folding it in half. Twist the folded pipe cleaner tightly to form the center of the tulip. Then, shape the petals by bending the ends of the pipe cleaner into loops, arranging them in a circular fashion to create a flower shape. Next, wrap the base of the flower with a green pipe cleaner to form the stem. Add more flowers and arrange them in a vase for a stunning bouquet. This simple method will help you make colorful and charming tulips for your decor, adding a creative touch to any room or table. You can also experiment with different colors and sizes to create a unique floral arrangement, making your decorations even more beautiful.